Good morning. Well, today is Wednesday the 16th. I haven't really done a video this week. I normally do them when there's something to report on, really. The foreman was off on Monday. He had two children graduating, so he had Monday off to go to graduation. Really happy about that, actually. It's good to do. So I only had literally had a skeleton crew here this week, and they're finishing work today because it's Wednesday and it's Holy Week. So this week's video, sorry to say, it may be missed. If I can get enough footage, I'll just do a quick short 10-minute one, depending on what footage I can get. So without further ado, let's have a look at what's been going on. Right, this is what me and the wife did. We took out the border which were down this side of the banana trees, and we've moved it back so it's nice, neat and planted with some nice plants. As you can see, banana trees, we've moved it from this side back. Am I zoomed in there? I am. And we're going to continue that. It does look good. We're going to continue it right up to the tree. And for you eagle-eyed viewers, we've got wooden scaffolding here because I was marking out, I was just rough marking where I'm putting my drive. And I'll show you that now. Here, we're leaving a good gap for soak away. So that's going to be, I'll lay it down. That's going to be about there. From there to inside. And that's going to be in line with the gate, straight across. And we're leaving a little border here. It's just going to go around the corner and then straight. So that is going, there's two of them here. Just bear with me for a minute. Like that. Sorry about that. It's going all the way across, down, and then to the wall. So that section's going to the wall because we need to put some bins here so we can get a business permit. We need to put recycling bins, and then there's going to be a gap there. Then the next half is going to go level with me bedroom window and roughly to there. So that leaves us then a good drive with a border up either side and soak away in the middle. There's going to be a gap here, so that'll be soak away, and a gap across there for soak away. And they've done a bit more backfilling around the pool here, so it looks a lot nicer now. And as you can see, that wall is very tiny now. It's just a little step. They've backfilled inside, except for this corner because we're going to be working in this corner. And as you can see, they've tidied up down here. Looks nicer. We are putting concrete stepping stones on here, so which will raise it up halfway up there. So it puts it up about another couple of inches. So that makes that skirt wall even shorter. Oh, bleeding dog's done diarrhea down here. Bloody dog. And as you can see, we have chopped them back, as you know from the last video, and we've widened them. Both of them are now complete. This one got done yesterday. They've took the pipe out slightly because we're going to put the pipe in there fully buried. All we're going to have visible is the shut-off valve. So that is all going to be redone. I'm going to do the shut-off valve so it comes up the wall here, down and back down and in. And that pipe's going to be buried all the way around. The foreman was here yesterday, Tuesday. He's completed that back wall and made a start on the tiny wall. It'll not take him long now to do this room. Not take him long at all. And I do believe the other one had a coat of paint. Yeah, this one's had a coat of paint on the walls. We've gone with Dove White, so it's like an off-white. And the main floor in here has been fully grouted with white grout, and then we're going to continue them along in line with them for the shower pan. That'll get done as well. And no doubt today, I think they're just going to have a tidy up here because they're going home today, so I'm going to get them to tidy this bit up. It's not going to be too much longer before we're ready for windows on them. However, please do me a favour. There's 80% of my viewers who are viewing my videos who are not subscribers. Hit that subscribe button, please. Also, hit the bell icon and that'll give you notifications for upcoming videos. That will help our channel immensely. Thank you for watching. Right, I've just borrowed my mate's multi-cab. Little Suzuki pickup, multi-cab. You do have back seats for that, and the canopy. It's a good little pickup them, good sized back. I'll just show you what we've been and brought. A nice new plant for garden. Grace has pinched it. This nice palm plant for garden. Grace has nicked it from the mate Andy and Pam, who's actually lent us van to bring it in and all. A bit more later when we're planting it. Good morning. So today's Friday, the 18th, 8 o'clock in the morning. And at this point, I feel like I ought to give you a little bit of an explanation. This week has been a short week because it's Holy Week. I've only worked Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. They're now home and they'll be back on Monday. But I know you're not getting this video on Holy Week, you're going to get it next week. I am a week behind on my videos. So there you have it. I video all this week for editing next week and uploading next Friday. So the video you watched last Friday was the end of Holy Week, but these clips and these footages are from the work in Holy Week. Right, as you can see, my waterfall has been fully skimmed. Have a look here. I've got a bit of wood there. That will be removed, obviously. He's just put that on to get the corner square. But that's fully skimmed now. If you're looking close up at that, they put a piece of plastic in there. That was only to get the edge. That's going to be cut off. You're not going to see that. So that's looking a lot better now it's fully skimmed. And that face wall has been a mirror image of this with green quartz tiles. Exact same tiles on that face wall. We're going for the look of a waterfall in the mountains. They're not clear blue, they're green because they have lush greenery like in the forest. So that's why we've gone for green. Not to make it look like that, just to resemble that. And these cabins now, I actually believe there's about 2 days work left in that one. Inside, the electric fuse box has got to be wired, sockets put on, and the shower pan to be done. A week's work maximum with cleaning, and then we're ready for flooring and windows. And on the flooring we're not having tiles, we're going with a new product. It's called a resin sand paint, so we're going to go for that. I'm estimating 2 weeks work there, and then this one as well. This is at much the same stage except for the bathroom, so you've got about a week in the bathroom and then another week to paint it, clean it and get the flooring in. So with a bit of luck, there's only about a month's worth of work left here in total, because it'll not take them long to backfill all that and along the back. And down here hasn't been quoted for, so what we're going to do at the back, remove that tree and build an outside kitchen area and a seating area. But what we can do for now is clear it off and level it like this, and it gives a good working area then. I'm super happy with how they have turned out, super happy. However, please do me a favour. There's 80% of my viewers who are viewing my videos who are not subscribers. Hit that subscribe button, please. Also, hit the bell icon and that'll give you notifications for upcoming videos. That will help our channel immensely. Thank you for watching. Okay, that's it for this week, and stay tuned for next week's. I'm sure there's going to be a lot more to see. Don't forget, hop over to Mondays and watch my videos too.